Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to make an underwater effect for your video with the CapCut. So you already have the project and I will like to make like underwater effects on it. So you just need to make sure that you keep this straight line in the beginning of the clip. And whenever you already drag the straight line in the beginning of the clip, now you just need to go take a look on this button features. One of them will be shown here in the effects, so you just need to click them. And right after that, go click this video effects. To make it fast, you just need to tap in the search button here, water, and search, and you just need to wait until the effects are related to water is pop up. And I would like to suggest you to use this droplet distortions, and you'll see it's like an object under the water, and you just need to go click cancel and go click this checklist button. Now you just need to apply this effect into the whole video. So here is the result. To make it like really look like an underwater effect, so you just need to go back again until you've got this type of the features. Go click this audio and add the sound effects. Now you just need to also search an underwater. And now you just need to find the perfect sound for your video. And here's the result. So that is the way, guys, how to create underwater video effects with CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.